I'm a passionate person, and I also believe in people. I didn't have it all together. I had my child and I ended up dropping out of school, so that's when I was doing those here to there jobs, just trying to make ends meet. And somebody literally took a chance on me to give me an opportunity to come in here and learn. And what I would say is, if you're looking for stability or you're looking for a career, not just a job, but a career, I would definitely recommend the CoLab or BioWorks.
The CoLab is a space that brings together Biogen, nonprofits, local teachers to really catalyze the potential for learners in our communities to pursue life science careers. It's really opening the doors to the community so that they get an idea of what Biogen does and how they can be part of the breakthrough medicines that we're making. The BioWork program, which is ran by Durham Tech in collaboration with the Biogen CoLab, is really a perfect example of the CoLab success. We were able to have this incredible program where students come for a semester, they receive a certification teaching them how to work in life science, how to work in manufacturing spaces, but not only do they have the technical knowledge from their course, but they actually did it at Biogen. So they have the first-hand view of what working at a company like Biogen looks like. Sometimes it really is that chance of seeing someone for who they are and what they can bring to the table, and that's what happened with Armond, and he has become one of our great assets here at Biogen.
Not only is he highly professional and able to really talk about the work from his role as a manufacturing associate at Biogen, he also really relates well and has a passion for helping students, kind of meeting them where they are and helping them get to where they want to go.
What I'm trying to see in the future is more people like me in this industry that have a chance.